Oh yes. So now ever since I got a car, like guys, I don't get out of it. I actually don't even think I need a place of residence anymore. Even like from a small child, I always like in class they would ask us, "What do you think is better to buy, a house or a car?" And then like most of the class will raise their hand for a house, and then I raise mine for a car because like just think about it. If you don't have money for rent, if you don't have money for a bond, at least you have a car that you can sleep in. You can even book like the park and then like go and sleep in the car there at the park. But yeah, so now I don't get out of the car. And then like somebody told me, they were like, "Hey, get out of the car, you don't live in the car." I feel embarrassed. I'm like so greedy. I'm raw for the car. I'm raw. I'm like, yay. And the I live in the front seat in any case, but I'm raw for the car. Oh yeah, some people are like, yeah, no, you lied. You drive with one hand. You can drive. I'm raw. I'm like, yay. And the I live in the front seat in any case, but I'm raw for the car. Oh yeah, some people are like, yeah, no, you lied. You drive with one hand. You can drive. Guys, cherry's just that easy. Like even if you can't drive, it's like it's so comfortable. It's like you're driving a Tesla. You don't need to be driving. Well, you need to be driving, but like there's very little work required to do. Very, very little. Little. Sneakerhead, a person who collects into. Ish. You actually love malls. I love the mall, especially if I'm gonna spend money that's not mine. I love it. Yeah. We are. I'm doing. Ooh, hi there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even see you.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Let me see outfit of it. You will see it. I thought you can't. I lied. I just like I like telling lies that that'll make people get angry and hyped up. Like like yeah. Thank God you occupied. She doesn't want to hear me singing. I can't. That's why I don't come live, because then you hear people say things like this. Yeah, you hear them say weird. And now I'm gonna cry. I'd rather leave. You see why I don't go live? She said, "Thank God I was occupied." No, I can't deal. I'm out, guys. I'm going. Bye. Bye.
If you're not told, just say much to me.